In this lesson, we will look at German numbers, the Zahlen. First, we will start with basic numbers with lots of practice, gradually moving forward towards bigger numbers. Let's begin. Let's look at numbers from 0 to 10. Please listen and repeat after me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take as long as you need to really memorize these numbers by heart. Once you know these basic numbers like the back of your hand, the rest will be Kinderspiel. So I want you to pause the video right now, memorize them, and then come back to practice. Let's practice. Guess the number. All you have to do is to speak the number displayed on the screen out loud. Here is the first one. Richtig. 3. The next one is richtig. 7. The next one is richtig. 10. What's this number? Richtig. 5. And the last one is richtig. 0. Let's now have a look at numbers from 11 to 20. Like always, please listen and repeat after me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Once again, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Do you notice a pattern here? Apart from 11, 12 and 20, the rest of the numbers follow a pattern, don't they? All you have to do is to add 10 in the end of the number you want to say. Zum Beispiel, if we want to say the number 14 in German, we know 4 means 4. All you have to do is to add 10 after 4. 14. Can you tell me what is 18 in German? Richtig. 18. Simple, isn't it? Let's play the guessing game again to really tattoo these numbers in our minds. You know the drill. Guess the number displayed on the screen. Here is the first one. Richtig. 16. The next one is Richtig. 11. The next one is richtig. 13. And the last one is richtig. 20. Now that we know the basic numbers by heart, our journey to big numbers is going to be smooth. There's only one rule for numbers after 20, which is to put the last digit first. Let's take the number 22 for instance. Put the last digit 2 first and then place the 20 in the end. That makes it 2 and 20. How do you say 2 and 20 in German? 2 und 20. That's it. That's all there is to it. Let's take another example. 28. Put the last digit 8 first and then 20. So 8 and 20 in German is 8 und 20. Simple, right? I want you to try it this time. What's this number in German? Sehr gut. It's 25. Counting numbers up to 29 is the same. But you need to know the numbers in tens. Let's quickly have a look at them. Listen and repeat after me. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's try to do a couple more together using these numbers. The number is 47. Put the last digit first, 7 and 40, which makes it 47. Give this one a try. Sehr gut. It's 54. Here is the next one. Richtig. It's 61. The next number is richtig. It's 32. And the last one is sehr gut. It's 99. Let's move on to bigger numbers. Counting numbers after 100 in German is pretty much the same as in English. Zum Beispiel, if we take the number 154, it'll be 100. How do you say 54 in German? Richtig. 54. 154. Easy, right? Now, how would you say the number 543 in German? Richtig. 543. It's all about breaking down the numbers. Let's take it up a notch now, shall we? Don't worry, the rule is the same. 1543 becomes 1000. What's 543 in German? 543. That's it. 1543. Or if it's a year, then you can also say 1543. Give this one a try. Sehr gut. It's 1992. Or you can simply say 1992. Also keep in mind that years after 2000 are spoken as they're written. Zum Beispiel, 2025 would be 2025. I know it looks a little overwhelming, but the more you practice, the easier it's going to get, which is why I've created a worksheet for you. You can find the link to it in the description. It's completely free of cost. And if you have any doubts, do let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next lesson.